Hello viewers, this is Ella's Computer Services, and we are going today to repair a graphics card issue by a process called known as reflowing. So as you can see, our machine has no display, but the backlight is on, as you can see. So today we are working on Dell Latitude d630. It's a machine that has stayed over time, so the components have degraded. That's why it has this kind of issue. So we are going to switch the machine off and then disassemble our board, get the motherboard, and then reflow these components using a hot air machine. So this is our board, and this and this one are the components that we are going to reflow. So we will set our hot air machine at 355 degrees Celsius, and then we reflow our chips, the components in the board, the card, the graphics card. So this is what we are going to do. As you can see, you put your motherboard on a flat surface so that when you are reflowing, the soldering joints that are melting do not flow off where they are not supposed to flow. So you put it on a flat surface and then hit these components. You can subscribe to our channel, like us, and get more of these videos in real time. So if you have any queries, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us so that we can help you repair your machines, your computers. So if you want us to repair anything, your machine on this channel, we will do it for everyone to see. At Ella's Computer Services, we do repair and maintenance. So kindly subscribe to this channel and get more and more of these videos. Phones, computers, we do them, and get in touch with us. So we are going to reflow these components. Will take around 15 to 20 minutes, and then yeah, we're going to assemble back our computer and test our machine and see if this reflowing process has really worked for us or it's not going to work. So we are closing it, we are assembling it back and test the board. So now we are switching it on and see what is the outcome. So as you can see, now, there is display. The display is now okay. So this is a process known as reflow, which we use to repair the embedded chips that cannot be replaced on the board. So as you can see, the machine is perfectly working now. So subscribe to our channel, learn more of repair, and if you have any queries, get in touch with us, and we will help you. We'll share all our videos on this channel, so subscribe, like us, and get more and more of this repair and troubleshooting. So you can see now the machine is okay. Thank you very much for watching. subscribe to our channel, like us, and you can get more videos in real time. Thank you for watching.